Hi everyone, I'm Kennedy McDaniel. I graduated from Topeka West in 2015, so that makes me 23 years old, which sounds crazy, but you'll get there someday. After I graduated Topeka West, I went to Kansas State University and I got my bachelor's in animal science and industry, pre-veterinary medicine. So I wanted to go to vet school for a long time, but I ended up not going. I decided that I'd rather get my master's degree. So I just moved a year ago to Baltimore, Maryland to get my master's degree in human genetics and genomic medicine, which I'm sure to you just sounds like gibberish, but once you research this field, I'm sure you'll know more about it. So one thing that I remember from Topeka West is really just loving some classes and not really enjoying some others. Obviously, I'm a scientist, so you would think I would just love all science classes, but that was not the case. I was not a fan of physics or chemistry, but I was really good at biology and anatomy and physiology. So if you're like me and you love some classes and hate some others, that's totally okay. I hope that you will not beat yourself up for not being good at everything because nobody is good at everything. So I hope that you can at least find one class that you enjoy, and maybe researching these fields will help you get excited about specific subjects. So, a little bit about genetics. I'm sure you guys know this by now, but if you don't, every living thing basically has genetics. So, when you're researching my field, make sure that you're looking into human job opportunities, genetic jobs that involve animals and plants. And there's probably even some more out there, but I'm sure you'll probably know my field a little bit more than I do by the end of your research. But to get you started, look into genetics job opportunities that involve counseling people, teaching people, or even research. Counseling opportunities involve being a genetic counselor. You can talk to people that have genetic diseases or show signs of some genetic diseases, or you can talk to people that are thinking about having kids and they just want to know what their probability of having kids with this, and this, XYZ. They just want to know what their options are. So there's counseling, there's clinical jobs that you can have. You can actually work with medicine, you can work in hospitals, anything like that. That would be pretty cool. You can work in labs for research. At a university or research institute. You can even run your own research if you want. That takes a lot of work, but you could do it if you wanted to. You can get paid to just do your own research, genetic research. What else? In the animal industry, there's a lot of job opportunities in breeding, and that involves genetics, obviously, because you want to breed animals in production or even pets that have these qualities that you want and don't have the qualities that you don't want. If we didn't have the ability to kind of alter genetics, we might not like the food that we eat, and we probably wouldn't like the pets that we have as much. I just looked over at my cat. But and then in the plant field, you can look into genetic job opportunities that are involved in vegetable production and farming and horticulture. So I hope that that can get you started in your researching the genetics field. I hope that you find something interesting. I hope that you enjoy this. And even if it's not genetics, I hope that you find something that you find interesting that you might want to pursue in your future. So thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your year. Bye.